cigarettes and tiny liquor bottles. What do you expect? Oh, just some bobby pins. Hello my babies, welcome back to my channel. You are here again with me, Benedicto, and if you are already a subscriber here, then welcome back. If you are not, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And you wouldn't want to, because it is very shocking here. Ulit. But I do say shocking because I do have some shocking realizations about my Balenciaga Mini city. And today I feel like this video would be very helpful to a lot of people because this bag is still so popular. I did the unboxing and my initial thoughts, what fits, everything, all of the details. You can check that out here. I'm gonna put like a link so you can watch that. What we're gonna do is a quick little video on how this bag has kept up with me after 8 months. Yes guys, I've had this bag for 8 months now. I wanted to do like a 6-month review, but 6 months have passed and I missed my cue. We're just gonna go with 8 because 8 is my lucky number anyway. And here we go guys. After 8 months of owning this bag, what have I come to find? How it's held up, and also some things that I've realized about it that you might want to consider before pulling the trigger. Alright, let's get down to it. So I think this is the main thing that people like to research when they're about to purchase a bag, whether or not it's going to fit their lifestyle and whether or not it's going to last them a long time. In terms of wear, you have to know that I do take care of my bags. I do like to make sure it doesn't hit anything. I don't put it on the ground. I do tend to throw it around the car though, but I think it's relatively safe there because things are padded and whatever, right? But yeah, generally speaking, I do take care of my bag a lot. So after the 8 months of using it, it's almost a year, I would have to say that it looks exactly the way I bought it still. If you look at the leather there, it's still this crinkly calf skin. So actually I can't tell if there are any new wrinkles or any scratches, but I will say that the corners look excellent. There are no scuffs on any of the edges, which are, you know, your usual areas where they get damaged. Even my handles look pristine. Perfection. The hardware also looks very shiny. There are no rusting or scratches to speak of. They all look amazing. This is probably like a slight fold, but I don't even notice it. So in terms of leather and hardware, nothing. Are you shocked? You shocked? Of course, we're gonna talk about interior as well. I did get a black one. So the interior is also black. I don't think there's much to talk about there. Also, I bought a Samorga. There's a bit of, oh my gosh, what is that, tissue? Embarrassing. Because I have this, I don't really worry about the interior like at all. There's nothing to speak of aside from the slight dirt. But because it's black, like I said, it's almost like it doesn't exist. No! So if you see this bag, maybe on the secondhand market, you saw that the seller would say it's like new condition or it's just like a slightly used condition, that I would say sure, that's perfectly fine, because mine is very used and there's literally nothing wrong with it yet. A lot of people would say that this type of leather, the Balenciaga leather, it's like paper, it's really thin, it like rips, and that it's easy to destroy. But honestly, I don't know how old those bags are for them to do that, because mine feels good as new. So let's move on to things that I have kind of discovered, or things that I didn't realize were gonna be a problem when I bought it. It is slightly hard to close and open the zipper, especially in this part where it kind of bends, right? From the top, make it drop. So as you can see, from there, it gets a little bit hard to just kind of go straight. What I do, I have to put it down and then zip it slowly, because obviously you don't want to break our zipper. So next thing that I've come to find as well is that it is a little bit heavy. So despite it being a mini bag, it is small and it does have the shoulder pad that makes it a little bit more comfortable on your shoulders. I do still say that it is quite heavy and I have to transfer it from one side of my shoulder to another just to kind of distribute the weight and not make it too uncomfortable, because I am a lola. Doesn't bother a lot of people, but you know me, and I have a thing about bags being too heavy for my shoulders, because at some point I get back pain and I end up having my husband carry my bag, which I don't like doing because I'm considerate, okay? So besides these things, I don't really know what else to say. I've been gone from YouTube from quite a while, so I just kind of wanted to pop by and say what's up, I'm still alive, and just to say hello to you guys and do a little update on this bag, which is now my oldest bag. Wow. So yeah, it's a short video with not much points. If you do feel like this video has sort of convinced you that you still want this bag, I do have a more in-depth unboxing and review, like what fits inside, whatever detail. Just click the link up there. It's also down below. I'll include it down below and you can watch that. A lot of people find that very helpful, so I hope you find it helpful as well. Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. If there are any requests on which bag you'd like to see next, maybe I can do more of these updates on maybe some of my Louis Vuittons or my Chanel. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. Don't know why I keep singing. Or if you just want to say hi, then go ahead and just say hi. Let's talk. I'll see you again next time. Peace and love. Bye.